Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone to your DSLR camera. First, mount the receiver. Slide the Lark M2 receiver into your DSLR's hot or cold shoe mount. Make sure it is securely attached so it does not move while recording. Next, connect the cable. Take the 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable and plug one end into the receiver. Plug the other end into your camera's microphone input. Make sure you are using the correct input. This is usually marked with a microphone icon on your DSLR. Now, power on the devices. Turn on the transmitter or transmitters and the receiver. The Lark M2 is designed to pair automatically. You will see solid LED lights on both the transmitter and the receiver when they are connected. If the lights are blinking, turn the devices off and on again until the lights stay solid. After powering on, configure your settings. On your camera, set the recording volume to a low level. This helps prevent distortion and keeps your audio clear. Then, adjust the receiver's gain to medium. This ensures your voice is picked up well without clipping. Thanks for watching.